guys, let's make pasta. Everybody take their flour. I'm gonna let y'all use the bowl. Oh, you wanna get all nice and I get it. You just wanna pour a little bit of the oil in there. So just like a kind of just go to it, okay? Just a little, there you go, that's enough. He got the plan, that's it, you gotta do it. I didn't hear enough going in there. That's it, all you need is that, that's it. That was a nice measure. We're gonna just, go, ooh wee. Yeah, I didn't hear it. Just, you wanna take a nice pinch. We're gonna go in and say, ooh wee. Ooh wee. Yep. And then we wanna take the pepper and just go, just a pinch, you go, all right? Yes, it's always like a Cajun seasoning. Add a little to it. I'm all about I'm all about adding flavor. That's it. All right, everybody got it going on over there? Let's kind of mix it around. Let's kind of get it all nice and flavored, because everybody like their whole steak flavored, not just one little piece, right? Yeah, let's make sure we got